You know that voice saying things like, I'm not disciplined, I always give up, I don't stick with things, I'm bad with money, I can't say no to people. Whatever they are for you, they're not facts. They're inner dialogues, they're inner narratives. Stories about yourself that you picked up somewhere along the way. Childhood, past failures, past relationships, even like little things that one person might have said to you one time. And now you repeat these things as if they are the truth. And here's the problem. Your brain believes what you tell it until you prove it otherwise. If your inner narrative says, I always quit, then guess what? You've already laid that path to quit when things get hard. But the good news is that you can rewrite these things, and not with fake positivity or affirmations, because that doesn't feel real. But catching one of those stories in real life, in that moment, and then choosing a different one. So here's what I want you to do. Think of 3 inner narratives, only 3, and write them down in your feminine power tracker. Classroom, embodiment program, and here. So here's where we're turning this into a system that makes it easier to practice. So once you start hearing that story in real life, it's easier for you to talk back. Your story isn't set in stone. You've just been telling yourself an outdated story for so long that you have forgotten that you are the author.